Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a product designed to give drone pilots some much-needed peace of mind. The Finder Drone Alarm Buzzer from Krasnik. This little device is built specifically to help you locate your drone if it ever decides to take an unexpected detour or crash lands out of sight. The core function here is simple but crucial, making noise and light to guide you to your lost aircraft. This buzzer packs a serious punch with a 120 decibel speaker. To put that in perspective, that's about as loud as a thunderclap or a rock concert, making it incredibly effective at cutting through ambient noise, especially if your drone is down in tall grass or dense foliage. Complementing the sound is a bright 100-lumen LED light. When triggered, this light flashes, providing a visual beacon, which is particularly helpful in low-light conditions or when the sound might be muffled. One of the smart features is its automatic trigger. If the drone remains static for 30 minutes, the alarm and light will automatically activate. This is a great fail-safe if you lose signal or power and can't manually trigger immediately. Beyond the automatic function, users also have manual control. The device can be controlled via cell phone using Bluetooth. This allows you to trigger the buzzer and flash on demand, which is incredibly useful when you're searching within a certain radius. The Bluetooth range is stated to be between 10 and 100 meters, giving you flexibility as you get closer to the potential location. It's worth noting that this Bluetooth control is specified for iPhone 11 or above running iOS 14.5 or later, so Android users or those with older iPhones might rely solely on the automatic trigger. When manually triggered, the alarm sounds and flashes for a duration of 10 seconds per activation. Powering this device is a 250 milliamp hours polymer battery. The battery life seems quite robust for its purpose. It boasts a standby time of up to 15 days, meaning you can leave it attached to your drone for extended periods without worrying about it dying. If the alarm is continuously beeping, it can do so for up to 4 hours, which should provide ample time for searching. Recharging the battery is relatively quick, taking about 1.5 hours via USB connectivity. Installation is designed to be straightforward and secure. It uses a silicone band fixing design. This method is known for being firm and reliable, reducing the chance of the buzzer coming loose during flight or impact. It's also easy to install and remove, which is convenient if you need to swap it between drones or remove it for charging. Compatibility is another strong point. The product description states it's widely applicable and can be easily installed on various drones and quadcopters, specifically mentioning suitability for popular DJI models like the Avata 2, Mavic 3 series, Air series, Mini series, and FPV. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile accessory for many drone pilots. In essence, the Krasnik Finder Drone Alarm Buzzer provides a dual-pronged approach, loud sound and bright light, to significantly increase your chances of recovering a lost drone. Its automatic trigger, manual Bluetooth control for compatible devices, decent battery life, and easy, secure installation make it a practical addition to a drone pilot's gear, offering valuable assistance in stressful lost drone scenarios.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.